How you doing today? My name is Mike. I'm going to show you how to get the cylinder out of this chair here. So first thing we're going to do is lay the chair on its back very carefully. Alrighty, like so. So as you can see, we have no space here to get our pipe wrench on to remove the cylinder. So what we're going to do is remove the entire base from the chair. And I'll show you how to do that. So all I have here is a small flathead screwdriver. We're going to zoom in on this clip right here. Good. So we're just going to pop this clip off right here, and we'll be able to remove the entire base from the chair itself. So here you go. Just kind of get your cylinder, or your screwdriver under the cylinder clip, and try a little till it comes off like that. Remove it just like so. Just another note, the bottom of your cylinder may have a clip that looks like this, a square one, opposed to the circular. To remove that, very similar process. Grab our flathead, reach underneath it, and just go ahead and pry that off. And if there's a washer, just go ahead and remove that as well. Easier said than done. There you go. That should come right off. Go ahead and put that off to the side. And from here, we're going to be able to remove the base and the cylinder cover can away from the chair. Keep going. Alrighty. So now we're going to have a situation like this where we have our cylinder exposed, and we're going to have a nice solid spot here to get our pipe wrench on there and go ahead and remove that cylinder. So I'll go ahead and grab my trusty pipe wrench here, cover on top. Get a nice solid connection there. All right, looking good. All right, from here, all we need to do is spin the cylinder, and the cylinder will remove from the chair. It's a friction fit, so once we break free, the cylinder should just pull right off. So I'll show you how that looks. So I'm gonna back up a little bit. I'm gonna use my left hand for some leverage here, pushing down on the chair, holding it in place. I'm gonna use my right hand on the pipe wrench. I'm just gonna go ahead and spin down on the cylinder. I'm gonna use some good force, and hopefully it breaks free. Here we go. Alrighty, so here we have a stuck cylinder. So what we want to do here is we can spray some WD-40 in here, kind of lube it up, get it loosened up in there. We can give this a couple whacks on the side. Alright, now we'll go ahead and try it again. Alright, got a nice solid connection there. Use my leverage hand. And as you can see, it took a little bit of patience, a little muscle, but I was able to remove the cylinder like so. Don't worry about messing up the cylinder, that's no problem. We'll replace that. Alrighty, so now that we have the cylinder removed from the chair, we need to remove the other part of the cover can from the base. And all I have here is a hammer, and I'm gonna have the base upside down and hammer the cover can through the top of the base. So watch your toes, here it goes. There you go. Now we've got our brand new cylinder in here. We're actually going to go ahead and put our casters back on the base itself. If those popped off, no problem. Alright, we're going to put this base on the floor, pop our new cylinder right in the base itself, just like so. From here, we're going to come to the chair, connect the cylinder to the chair itself. Now we've got the base laying on the floor. We've got a cylinder in the chair. All we need to do is lean the chair back up on its casters. So from behind, very gently, put it back on its casters. Go ahead and sit in the chair. That just kind of seats the cylinder, puts it into place. We'll go ahead and test it. We have our seat height lever. Goes up, stays up, goes down. So as you can see, a little bit of work, but I think with the right tools, you can get it done.